Double mashing is a brewing technique used to optimize the extraction of fermentable sugars from cereal adjuncts like rice and corn grits. This method is especially beneficial when brewing lighter beer styles, such as adjunct lagers or light lagers, where the goal is to produce a clean, highly fermentable wort with minimal flavor and color contribution from the adjuncts. Cereal adjuncts such as corn and rice lack the natural enzymes required for starch conversion, making it necessary for brewers to introduce additional steps to fully convert their starches into sugars. A key consideration when using these ingredients is their gelatinization temperature, which is approximately 10 degrees Celsius higher than that of barley malt. As a result, these adjuncts must be pre-cooked in a cereal cooker before being combined with the main mash in the mash mixer. This forms the basis of the double mashing system, where two separate mashes are prepared concurrently and later combined to enable effective starch conversion. The process begins in the cereal cooker, where rice or corn grits are combined with water and about 5 to 10% of malted barley. The small amount of malt provides enough enzymatic activity to reduce the mash's viscosity, making it easier to handle and transfer. This mash is heated to around 75 degrees Celsius to gelatinize the starches. After roughly 30 minutes, the starches in the adjuncts are fully gelatinized. Meanwhile, the main mash, comprising primarily malted barley, is started roughly 30 minutes after the cereal cooker mash. It is mashed in at a lower temperature around 45 degrees Celsius to allow for protein rest, which helps break down proteins that can cause haze or affect foam stability. At the same time, the adjunct temperature in the cereal cooker is raised to 100 degrees Celsius and held for at least 5 minutes. This step thins the mash further and prepares it for transfer to the mash mixer. Once the cereal mash is fully cooked, it is transferred into the mash mixer, where it is combined with the main malt mash. This combination raises the overall mash temperature to about 65 degrees Celsius, ideal for enzymatic starch conversion. The malt enzymes are now breaking down both the barley malt and adjunct starches into fermentable sugars. This is the core of the mashing process and determines the fermentability and body of the final beer. After sufficient conversion, the mash is heated to the mash-off temperature, about 78 degrees Celsius, to stop enzymatic activity and prepare the wort for separation in the lauter tun. Double mashing enables brewers to effectively incorporate a wide range of cereal adjuncts, including rice, corn, and sorghum, into their recipes. By managing the different gelatinization and conversion requirements in separate vessels, this method ensures maximum extract efficiency and helps produce beers with a light body and clean, crisp finish.